Hey, what is up, everybody? Gene Hank is here, your builderall training support specialist and network marketing slash MLM. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. And first and foremost, I want to say something, and that is apologies for not being able to go live first last week and then a little bit this week. We're midweek so far, Wednesday. Had some issues with my Facebook account and then some personal issues. Just wasn't in the right mindset. Uh, Fixing stuff with Facebook, then Zoom. But at least we were able to get to go live on Friday last week, so that was good. So that was a good thing. But we need to finish this series that I started, which is creating a Facebook chatbot with builderall. Okay, so this would be part three. We're finishing it up because we only have one, two, three, and four. Okay, we only have four things to look at, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But before I actually do this, I forgot to do one thing, guys. And for your fan pages, there is something that you need to do, which I didn't show you to do. So hopefully you guys either know about it or maybe you will learn right now. Okay, and I couldn't show it to you before because I totally forgot that my page already had applied for that. So I had to look in my pages that I manage, and I found one that I've never applied for, and I'm gonna do it here. Okay, so there's one of the pages that I manage that I created a while back. It's called Cash Flow Lifestyles for my credit repair business. But when you go to your page, right, you want to go to settings. Okay, go to your page settings, and you want to click on advanced messaging. Okay, and this is important because you need to add the domain that your chatbot is going to be if you're going to have your chatbot on your website. Okay, so let's say for instance for me it's going to be https genehankis.com. Okay, make sure you put it that way. Don't add the www because I had an issue that way, and it wasn't working. I thought it was me, but it was, well, technically, yeah, it was me. The issue was here. It wasn't anything wrong with builderall, and support showed me that it was that. It wasn't something wrong with builderall. Make sure you don't add the www because that is technically a different kind of domain address. So right here for you guys, if you haven't requested it, you want to request this feature, right? And this is the messenger feature called, I think, subscription. So this way you can send your subscribers, followers that subscribe to your Facebook chatbot, you can send them messages. Now for me, I had no problem testing it out on my fan page because I already registered a while back and it's still there, still active. So then this right here, you have the request. So you want to click on request, and as you can see, one-time request. And confirm. Provide the reason need to access personal gender. Um, Followers will get notifications about their credit depending on their gender. Not really, but that's just a reason. Okay, let's see, language and locale. Provide a reason your page needs access to a person's language and locale. Our services is in English, and we operate in the United States only. Okay, save to draft. And time zone. It is good to know that we uh, will not message people too late or too early in the day. That's what I want to find out. Okay. And submit for review. Okay, there we go. It can take up to 5 business days. All right, so I submitted it. I just wanted to show you guys that you needed to do that. And I didn't save the main here. HTTPS and genehuckis.com. Save there. All right, so make sure you guys do that. Connected apps. I don't have. We could do that. Well, we don't really need it for this one because I have it on my regular fan page right here. So we got that. So you guys want to make sure you guys do that, okay? Now, where we left off was automation, and now we need to look at scheduling. And this is awesome that we have this now here. So I'm actually glad that I'm doing this now because you guys can get a quick overview. When you click over here on the overview picture, you get this video from Frank, our amazing Frank, and it gives you a quick overview about the whole tool that we've just recently been going over. And close it, and you can click on more info. But I'm gonna put it away. So I want to schedule a new rule. Let's do daily live reminder. Set on a date, send with delay, event reminder, repeat every X days, sequence. Let's see, with delay, event reminder, repeat every X days. Let's do this. X days. Start date. And let's do 1 o'clock. A reminder, maybe 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's do 1500. Okay. Days, intervals, one a day, 1 days. We're going to send them the Facebook group, subscription text, daily Facebook live reminder, and save changes. Okay, so there you go, it's saved. So these are just scheduling, and as you can see, we have one here that I created when I was testing it. Event. No. I guess 1899. Wow. Definitely. That's why it has that. No. Whoops. Now I went too far in the future. We are in 2021 and we're in December. And let's do Friday. And yeah, 1700. All right. And here we can set a reminder. I have it here for 10 minutes and 5 minutes before. And I'm going to put here join our live Q&A. Okay. Now the next thing that we're going to go over is your bot for website. And I know you guys might be thinking this is annoying. It might be a little bit. Pretty sure eventually they'll fix this where it doesn't come up every time. But the good thing is you can put it away. Okay, just click on it and put it away. And let's see. So here we have it. We created a bot, and it's easy. Just give it a name and select your page. So we already have one right here. And all I need to do is click on the little edit. Okay. Select the theme color. You're logged in. Greeting. Hey, are you ready to join our group? Not out. Okay. Please log in. Facebook help. Display. I wanted to show hide or fade. Let's leave it as show. Delay, zero delay. So let's leave it as that. So I saved it. Now what I need to do is actually add it to the website. So I want to click on the little embed button right here. Then here it tells you to embed the website bot, right? The Facebook chatbot bot. You need to whitelist your domains. And that's what we did before over here. Okay, let me close this. That's why we have these domains here. But of course, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use my actual fan page. And my actual fan page, I have whitelisted all these domains. Okay. And if you don't know how to do it, it tells you right here how to whitelist. So you click how. And it shows you exactly what I showed you. You open the URL. You want to add this one as well. Okay. You want to add this domain plus your domain. Okay. So you add that domain that it tells you here. Let's just add it on this one as well, and paste and save. There we go. So you add it and you're good to go. Okay, so we got that. Then what you want to do is you want to copy this script. Click copy to clipboard. We're gonna go back to our builderall, and you want to go to Cheetah and go to the page that you want to add this chatbot on. Okay, so for us, we're doing it right now on my personal page, which is Gene Hakis, my name, my full name. I'm gonna click edit site, and then I'm just gonna add it to this one right here. So don't click edit page, okay? Before, I know some of you guys, if you've been here since way back in the day when builderall just came out, you would have to click on edit page. Of course, it wasn't on Cheetah, it was on Pixel Perfect. You would click on edit page and you would add a, not import, I was gonna say import, sorry. Add a iframe, HTML iframe, and you would put the code there. But all you have to do actually just click here, click on settings, scroll down, well not too down, and as you can see I already added it here. So you would paste the bot right here, and you could enable this if you want to, you don't have to. See, as you can see, it says synchronous script. Be careful when selecting this option. Your script will be loaded at the same time as your site. This may end up causing loading problems such as blank out or cut pages. So you can either do it or not. Let's just not do it. We'll wait for the bot to load after the page. I was just doing that because I told you I thought there was issues with my actual builderall account, but it turns out to be it was of course a user error. Sometimes it is a user error, and that's just it. All right, so we got that there. Let's republish, and then I'm gonna go to the site. Okay, oh, there we go. I load it. So you can see it says continue as Gene or continue as guest. So I click on continue as Gene. It says you open this conversation from genehawkins.com. And since I already did do this, I think that's why it's not popping up. So let's see if we refresh it, if it lets me log in as guest. That way you guys can see. All right, here we go. Nope. All right, so let's open it under incognito and paste. Yes. Let's wait on the other one. This wasn't showing. My browser is weird. All right, continue as guest. Okay, there we go. Oh, I added this one. I forgot to add the other one. But okay. But this one's cool. All right, so we're gonna do. Let's go United States. This is my giveaway vacation thing that I was testing out when I was giving vacations, which I still do. Just haven't done it on Facebook in a while, which I should. All right, great choice, Las Vegas, and then they get their certificate. Okay, but as you can see, it's working. Okay, the chatbot, the Facebook chatbot on my website is there. All right, let's close this. All right, so now integrations. Now this right here, let's put this way. This integration, this is great for the webinar. So if you have a webinar and you want people to actually get response from somebody live, this is great because you could have a pre-recorded webinar and people could be commenting and leaving messages on the webinar. You're going to receive them on your fan page over here on their messages, on the messaging right here. You're gonna get the messages there. And let me go back over here. And you can reply and people will see that, hey, I guess this is not a pre-recorded webinar because I'm asking questions and they're actually answering those exact questions that I'm asking. So this is great, and it's real simple for you guys to do this, the integration. You would just click on create new integration, you give it a name, select the fan page, and of course you want it with the new webinar. And since I already have some here, once you create it, you grab this key, you want to copy it. Let's go back to Cheetah. I mean, not Cheetah, sorry. Builderall, go to the webinar. And let's click here, webinar. And let's go to my webinars that I have here. And let's just do this MLM replay. Then you have your content over here. You have the webinar room appearance, email settings, and forms. But what you want, it's right here. Let's say right here when you have your chat and you click on more options as you saw right here, then it says integration and you paste that key here. Okay, so let's say you have multiple ones, then you go to the next one. Right, you have here have YouTube video, the schedule, and so on. I want to enable chat, and let's say you want to add edit goes users. Click right here on show more chat options, and then you paste that integration key right here. Okay, so you can see this one is the same as this one. All right, and then of course you save. Don't forget to do that, of course. But yeah, that's that, the integration. Then one of my favorite things is the SMS. Why is it my favorite, you ask and probably wonder? Because everybody texts and everybody usually looks at their text 99% of the time. So what's great about this, I haven't collected any because I haven't done it here, but you would select your page, and if you had someone's number they collected through your chatbot, you would send SMS to this user, and you would say, send them a text message telling them, something like, hey, don't forget that Friday we have our live Q&A. There we go. And I'll click send now, but there's no users there. As you can see, if I click send now, it's really not going to go anywhere because there's no users. If I click all, you see there's no name, no numbers, and no options. All right, guys. So to recap, you guys want to go back and watch the old videos. I know they're like already, what, 2 weeks old now, those two videos compared to this one. I go through all this, setting it up. We we just didn't do this one because I didn't collect any phone numbers, but it's pretty self-explanatory when you ask someone's number on how to add it here. Let's see. Let me look at how much time we have. See if we could do that real quick. Okay. Let's go to our flow and let's do this the group, and let's edit this. This is the interactive flow. And let's just add a new step. Should we do a new step? Let's see. Let's join. Tell me more. What if after this one they choose? Let's just add a new step. Yeah. Let's add a new step. And let's call this. What's your number? Whoops. All right. So right here, this is. Oh no, this is send SMS. So what we need to do is mailing boss email collection. So let's do email collection right here. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, so question text right here. In next message, please enter email Failed text. Your email is not valid. Enter. Okay. Okay, I just refreshed and I lost everything. Alright, so let's do this again. So instead of creating the step, because we have here that this is the process. Okay. So now this right here, this is where I'm adding the text message stuff. So I added here a new text button, and it says I can send you a text notification when we go live. Would you like to share your number with me? And I'm gonna label this button and I'm gonna call it yes. And what's gonna happen? Go to a new step, and it's gonna be creating a new step. And then I'm going to tag this person because that means they want to share their phone number. So I'm gonna put SMS. Yes. Yeah, and submit and save. Okay, I'm gonna tell the first name. And it's going to say, please select your phone number. Actually, let me do a quick reply. Actually, it's better. I'm gonna delete this one. Where is it? So let's delete this one. We want the quick reply. Delete that. Yes. And we want this the quick reply. And we're going to do their name. Please select your phone number below. Reply text. And the reply text is going to be user's phone number or email. Okay, we're not gonna collect the email, just the phone number. And I did select before mailing box stuff, but let's leave it as that. Leave this as blank. Quick reply message. No, let's just save. And they say yes. And also, let's save changes. Make sure we don't lose. Wait, we did lose it already. Oh my god. That's what happens when you don't press save, guys. So click first name. Please select your phone number below. Now let's save changes here. And reply text. Let's make sure we did save it here. Okay, yeah, we did. All right, so that's saved, and this is saved. Alrighty. So what we should do, let's add this to this flow. Let's add this to my uh, page so that we can test it out. So let's get this bot for site, and let's select this right here. And the one that we're going to choose is, okay, we got it here. We have to make sure we get the embed code, copy, and let's take this one. Let's do it. Let's do it in my about page. I think I have it there already. I know I was playing around with it there. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, it's the same one. Okay. Alright, so I don't really have to do much. So let's go to the site and go to About Me. This page is not a live page. I mean, it's live, but I don't have a linking anything here. Alright. Just wait for it to load. There we go. And let's test it. Continue as guest. Well, actually, no, we gotta do it as Gene because, or maybe not. Maybe not as Gene because I already did test it over here. But I just wanted to get my phone number because if I come in as a guest, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna give me my phone number. So let's see what happens when you do it as a guest. There we go. Log in as guest. Okay, I would love to join. Okay, yes. I want to give you my phone number. Okay, so unfortunately, that's not gonna show. And as you can see, there's no name. But let's see if I put a phone number. See if it takes it. And you know what? I didn't even do a thank you after that. Okay. But let's see. Let's see what happens. Facebook chatbot. SMS tool. Let's select the page. Okay, yeah, and it didn't collect anything. So let's do this again. Well, I need to open it. Open a new incognito, obviously. Let's try it again. Okay, and this time, let's see if I put enter as Gene. It's probably gonna ask me to log into Facebook. Okay, let's see. Log into Messenger. Give me 1 second, guys. Will I authenticate this so I can test this out, see if it works? I would have thought it would kick in, but I guess not, since I'm already. Huh. How can I test it? Oh, I know. Let's see if I log in with my wife's account. Log out. Whoops. I could have just switched right here. All right, so now I'm logged into my wife's Facebook. Let's see how that works. I hate that when I'm doing sharing screen and all this stuff. It's so slow for everything that it click and do. Alright, let's see. Come on. Just need it to pop up right here. And allow me to continue as Leticia. Alright, let's see if this works. It's loading. Let's close this here and close this here. Come on. Load. I know the internet's super laggy. Oh, you know, I could have done end chat maybe. Maybe that could have done it. Huh. Silly me. Alright, let's refresh. This is going too slow. Continues Leticia. Come on. There we go. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Let's do in chat maybe. Let's try that. And continue. Hmm. Huh. Alright, so what if, so that we can test it, let's add an automation. Now reply rules. We're going to create a rule and let's call it if it consists of the phrase test bot run this flow. There you go. Problem solved. All right, now let's see what happens. Let's type in test bot. There we go. I'm a genius. I would love to join. Yes. But now the thing is, I'm not on the phone. Ugh, that's another thing. Usually reads the phone. Let's see. So I don't think it worked. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't work. I gotta be on my phone. So give me 1 second. Let me actually do it from my actual phone. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna type on my phone test bot. All right, and I'm clicking right now. I would love to join. Okay. How can I show you guys my phone actually? Hold on, before I even let me do something real quick. I'm gonna start So you guys could see my phone. Let me give myself the link, invite. Let's see. Let me send it to myself on WhatsApp so that you guys can actually see my phone and see if it works. Okay. Well, it says I cannot share. So let's allow share. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. Start recording. Start now. All right. There you go. You guys can see. Let me standard. Move this out the way. Or maybe not. Okay. All right. So now that you guys see my phone, I'm going to click yes. Okay. So it didn't pop up. So we got to do something. Let's see. All right. So let's see. I probably did something wrong. Like I said, most of the times it's user error. So let's see. So we have to join group. And here, let's make sure that we name this. Let's do SMS. Actually, this is the SMS input actually. So this is SMS input. And maybe this, putting the name, just leave it as that. We have it as other quick reply, person's phone number. We don't select anything here. So let's see, we have to share a number with me. Yes. And it sends you over here. Okay. So everything is set. Huh. So let's try it one more time. Let's do this test bot. Okay, I got that. I just input it myself from here, just in case that's the issue. Also, I don't think I have my number, maybe with Facebook. Okay, so let's see. Hmm. I promise that's how it works, guys. So either something I'm doing wrong, but that is how you edit or collect the phone number. Probably messing something up. SMS input, join group. Mm, let's add an SMS. Create here. I created quick in another step. See if maybe that's the issue. So let's do SMS. I named it SMS, and I'm going to say here Facebook Messenger will collect your phone number. Is that okay? And here, button label. That's cool. And it's going to go to the next step. The next step is going to be that SMS input. And let's save that. Then here is the quick reply. User's text, phone number, and save. Let's do, just in case, simple text. Text or button. Text. Reply text. Go to step. Create new step. Actually, no. Let's delete this. Okay, so we have it like that. Everything is saved. And make sure that we have this. It goes to the SMS. Yeah, I have it like that. Okay. All right, now let's go back again to, oh wait, before we do that, let me make sure I add one last step. After they input the phone number, oh my god, I didn't save. Yes, and it's Facebook will collect your phone number. Is that okay? And save changes, and over here, and I'm going way over. Please select your phone number below. And then after they put that, let's put a thank you. Thank you. We got it. Let's hope we get it. If not, it's probably something that I'm doing wrong, and you guys, I'm telling you, that's how it works. Okay. If it doesn't work for me, it's some issues with my fan page probably. All right, let's go back to the Zoom. Let's do test bot. Okay. Yes. All right. If it works or it doesn't work, I will just end it here. Yeah, it didn't work. All right. We'll leave it like that. Okay, so let's just leave it like that. All right. Well, it didn't work for me, but you guys try it out. Let me know. I'll probably try it again later when I get uh, done with class and all. But that is it for today, guys. All right. So as always, guys, don't forget. Let's go build it with builderall, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Take care. Peace.